In this video, I will show you how to use Yoast SEO for your WordPress website. So let's start. First, I will go to my website rapidflowers.com.au. It is a flower related blog. I will go to admin panel. So I have already installed the Yoast plugin. So I will advise you to install it and activate it. So now after activating your Yoast plugin, go to this icon and click on configuration wizard. And here it will guide you step by step what is your website about and enter those details. So first click on option A if your website is ready and live so that it can be indexed, and click next. What is your site type? So my website is a blog, and you can, if your website is an online shop, click on online shop and click on next. Select one of these if your website is about organization or a person. So my website is Rapid Flowers. I'm entering those details. If you have a logo, choose your logo and enter social media links. So I don't have any logo or social media links, so I will leave them as it is and click next. Search engine visibility. So you can put these yes and yes because you want your website to be visible on Google, and click on next. And multiple authors, so you don't want any duplications, so leave it as no and click next. And here you can select a title separator. One of the most popular separator is this one and this one, so you can leave it as it is and enter the name of your website and click next. And here you can sign up with Yoast if you like, and you can also leave it, so that is not an issue, and just click on next and then close. You can also watch this video if you like. So the basic setup is complete now, and now I will go to some details. So first go to journal, and it says that SEO settings have been configured. Now go to features. Here leave them on and don't change anything. And here click on this question mark XML sitemaps and click on here, see the XML sitemap. So Yoast SEO has created your sitemap, so it helps Google boards to read your website pages, and you have to submit this XML to Google Search Console, and I'm coming to that. So now go to Webmaster Tools. Here you can submit your website to all popular Google search engines, to other search engines. Bing is Microsoft search engine, and you can do one by one, so it is very important. So but the most important is Google verification. So first you have to go to Google Search Console. I will do the Google verification code and you can do the rest later. So when you go to Google Search Console, click on add property, and here are the two verification methods. So I will select on URL prefix, it is more easier. I will just copy paste my website, click continue. So it is already verified. So what you can do is you can also it will tell you in the step that I missed, is that enter your verification code. You can enter it here and click on save changes. It will verify your Google Search Console. So one other thing, that you have to submit this sitemap. So I will go to sitemap and I will submit it over here. So I have already submitted it, so you can submit it like this. I will submit it again for this video. So now it will say that it has submitted and success. Sometimes it says could not fetch, and give it a time. For example, in an hour it will fetch your sitemap. So don't worry if it says failed or something. So here leave it as it is, or you can do is you can enable breadcrumbs if it is disabled. And if you want to add social media links later, you can add it over here. So this was the setup of your website for Yoast SEO plugin, and now I will show you how to optimize your page or or a post. So I will go to post, all post. I will, for example, optimize this post. So click on edit. So as you can see that it is showing that it is not optimized and needs improvement. So for example, I want to rank this article for this keyword, right? So what I will do is I will put focus key phrase over here. So now your plugin understands that you want to optimize your page for this keyword. All right. So here, click on edit snippet. So it is fetching the page title that I want, but you can also change it. For example, let me see. So if I want to change, I can change it from here, so it is fine. So now and one of the most important thing is that it is showing you that your title is in green, so that means it is optimized, it is best. If it is too short, it will show you orange line, or if it is too long, it will show you that it is not good, it is red. So make sure it is in green. And same goes for meta description. So now I have to write meta description. So for example, let me write, and I have to make sure that this keyword is in the meta description. So Flora Florist is the best florist in Perth. Now it is green, so I will stop writing. So you have to make sure that it is green, and now it says that it is good. So you can see that our SEO has improved. Now you can you have to try to make it better as well, because it says readability analysis needs improvement. So here after clicking on SEO analysis, so you can see that these things are in green and these are not. So you can click on these, for example, keyword key phrase density. You can try to put key phrase more. For example, it's saying there's a minimum 5 times for a text of this length. So it is saying that it should be more, so you can put more keywords and it will resolve it. So for example, it is also saying that there is no internal links. So for example, let me put internal links. Internal link is like you have to give link to your own website. For example, I will give it to my home page. So for example, this one I will say, I will give this link to my home page. So this is internal link, and you can see that this internal link, you have enough internal links, good job. So now it has been resolved. So similarly, you can improve this one, image alt attributes. That means you have to enter alt image. So for example, we are trying to rank for this keyword, so I will enter it over here. Yeah, I was checking the spelling. So update now, and I will refresh it. So as you can see, that is resolved as well. So now you can increase the keyword. So it is showing that there is some issue with this content and you can fix it. It is saying that you need more key phrase and subheading. So I can put more keywords in the heading and it will be resolved as well. And I can increase the keyword which I'm trying to rank for. I can put it more where I can try to fit it in some sentences, so it will be resolved. So this is how you do on-site SEO of your article or of your page, and you can rank higher with this plugin, and it is extremely easy. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.